Graeae is a deaf and disabled led theatre company. We tour productions, but we also have a really robust and awesome youth program. We want young people in our youth program to be leading the work that we do.
You get to work with a lot of different people with so many different perspectives, and you just learn as you go along, and you just build your confidence through something that you love doing.
I guess you could say Graeae has brought me out of a shell, which I didn't know was there, because I thought me being shy was me, but it turns out it's not.
Before I was worried about being in an audience with lots of people, and they think, but Graeae helped me with the audience, so I don't feel that confused and worried. I feel good.
The building is amazing. So much wide space. You could literally go anywhere you want, and no restrictions whatsoever.
When you come, you feel so welcome. The people here are so loving, they're so genuine, they're so kind, and on top of that, you get so many great experiences.
Before I went to Graeae, I didn't know what I was capable of. Graeae really opened the doors of creativity, and I just blessed with so many different ideas.
Anyone who's watching this who wants to get into drama, come to Graeae.